How to keep a Python script output window open. I have just started with Python. When I execute a Python script file on Windows, the output window appears but instantaneously goes away. I need it to stay there so I can analyze my output. How can I keep it open?
You have a few options. Run the program from an already open terminal. Open a command prompt and type. For that to work, you need the Python executable in your path. Just check on how to edit environment variables on Windows, and add C:\Python26, or whatever directory you installed Python to. When the program ends, it'll drop you back to the CMD prompt instead of closing the window. Add code to wait at the end of your script. For Python 2, adding at the end of the script makes it wait for the enter key. That method is annoying because you have to modify the script, and have to remember removing it when you're done. Especially annoying when testing other people's scripts. For Python 3, use input. Use an editor that pauses for you. Some editors prepared for Python will automatically pause for you after execution. Other editors allow you to configure the command line it uses to run your program. I find it particularly useful to configure it as Python /myscript.py when running. That drops you to a Python shell after the end of the program, with the program environment loaded, so you may further play with the variables and call functions and methods.
CMD/K is the typical way to open any console application, not only Python, with a console window that will remain after the application closes. The easiest way I can think to do that is to press Win+R, type CMD/K and then drag and drop the script you want to the Run dialog.
Start the script from an already open CMD window, or at the end of the script add something like this, in Python 2. Or, in Python 3.
To keep your window open in case of exception, yet, while printing the exception. Python 2. To keep the window open in any case. Python 3. For Python 3 you'll have to use input in place of raw_input, and of course adapt the print statements. To keep the window open in any case. Create a Windows batch file with these two lines.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.